Yes, let's look at the corrections to the solutions to the quiz question we had the other time. Now we'll check out the first question. Choose the word that has the same consonant or vowel as the sound indicated with the underline. The word here is vision. We have here nation, instruction, enclosure, mansion. So you see in these other three we have nation, instruction, mansion, whereas here we have vision, enclosure. So C is the answer. C, enclosure. The number 2 question. Choose a word that has the same consonant or vowel as the sound indicated in the underline. The word is epitaph. We have pneumonia, pepper, fan, pseudo. Epitaph, fan. So both of them have similar consonant sound. Epitaph, fan. Now we have choose the word that has the same consonant or vowel sound as the one indicated with the underline. We have palm, blunt, florid, lunch, ranch. See that palm and ranch have similar vowel sound. We have in mathematics 27 to power x plus 2 divided by 9 to power x plus 1 equal to 3 to power 2x. Find x. Because in the question we gave we have 32x here instead of 3 to power 2x, that's why we gave this as error. So it's a bonus question. But if it were to be like this, the solution would have been 27 to power x plus 2 divided by 9 to power x plus 1 equal to 3 to power 2x. So if we express all in base 3, we know that 27 is the same thing as saying 3 to power 3. Now put this again. 9 is the same thing as saying 3 to power 2. Put this again. Then we also have 3 to power 2x. We take all the bases in 3. Can equate x plus 4 to 2x, making x the subject of the formula we have 4 as the answer. So B, 4 is the answer. Now we get the next question. Simplify 1 over 2 minus 3 in the form of a plus b, so 3. To simplify a surd in the denominator, we simply multiply by similar surd, but changing what is connecting the letters here, the numbers here, from if it is minus we change to plus, if it is plus we change to minus. So multiply the same by the denominator and numerator. We'll get 2 plus or 3 as the answer. Now given that log 2 is equal to 0.3010, log 3 is equal to 0.4771, and 5 is equal to 0.690. Evaluate 2 plus 4.5 to sample it. Now we're going to try to make log 4.5 to in form of given logs, not to simplify. How do we get that? Given that this 2 plus log 4.5 is equal to what? We know that log 4.5 is the same thing as saying log 9 over 2. Now recall that log a over b is the same thing as saying log a minus log b. So log 9 over 2 is the same thing as saying log 9 minus log 2. So log 9 is the same thing as saying log 3 to power 2. And log 3 to power 2 is the same thing as saying 2 log 3. And we already know what log 3 is. So we can simply say that 2 times 0.4771, which is log 3, to give us log 9 to be 0.9452. So log 9 minus log 2 will now be 0.9452 minus log 0 minus 0.3010 to give us 0.645. So 2 plus log 4.5 will now be 2 plus 0.645 to give us 2.645, which is approximately 2.64. Now for the first we collect this from that one solve this process blood the body of oxygen and exhaling. So what process about catabolism? Call it catabolism. Breaking down is catabolism. Now the enzyme present in saliva is known as dialane. It is actually an amylase that helps to hydrolyze starch into maltose and dextrin. Fungi are referred to as heterotrophs because of what? Heterotrophs are those organisms that cannot manufacture their food by themselves because they don't have chlorophyll, they lack chlorophyll. Whereas autotrophs are those ones that can manufacture their food by themselves because they have the green pigments known as chlorophyll. Example are green plants. So the answer to this is A, they lack chlorophyll. Chemistry. On exposure to the atmosphere, a hydrated salt loses a water of crystallization. This demonstrates the basicity of these OH and check the basicity of this organic acid is 1. And basicity is simply the ionizable hydrogen that is present in the acid. Now, the separation method that is used to separate insoluble solid from a liquid is decantation. If you want to separate soluble solid from a liquid, you use evaporation. If you want to separate two miscible liquids, you use distillation. If you want to separate a solute from a solvent by addition of another solvent or solute, you use precipitation. So the answer is decantation to separate insoluble solid from liquid. Now we move to physics. A transverse wave and longitudinal wave traveling in the same dimension in a medium differ essentially in the direction of vibration of the particles of the medium, not the period, not the frequency. The direction of particles of medium. Now, objects will be grounded to plane. We especially have this the volume. The way usually say that force in form of weight is equal to mg, mass times acceleration. Making m the subject, we have w1 over g1, which is weight over acceleration due to gravity for the object in x, equal to the same thing for the object in another planet. So make w2, which is the weight in that planet, the subject of the formula. You get it to be equal to 27 newtons. A pair of physical quantities consisting of vectors only are. Vectors are those quantities that have magnitude and direction. Speed is a scalar quantity, so it cannot be this. Distance is a scalar quantity, it cannot be this. But displacement and torque are both vector quantities, so C is the answer. Now we get to economics.